Hey guys, you're watching Droid Crunch. I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about Instapage, which is a very popular landing page builder that gives you capabilities to create landing pages that can convert, that can bring in business, and that have very high retention and high conversion ratio overall. You can see the stats, the performance people are getting is very insane, and creating landing pages using Instapage is very easy. The intuitive dashboard and the landing page building experience is something that is out of the world, and you can create very fast pages and with a lot of functionalities, of course, and you can personalize the experiences and capture visitor attention with content that speaks directly to them, and 34% higher conversions and lower CPA by sending targeted ads to relevant landing pages that align with your ads message and brand. So you have options to customize your content based on your need so as to give your visitors the message that you want, and you can test, you can do A/B testing, and which one does the job, you can use that. So there are possibilities with that. You can scale very easily by creating unique landing pages for the multiple audiences, and specific interests can be resource intensive, so it is all possible using Instapage. The very rich drag and drop builder is there so that you can create pages without having to worry about coding, but you have also the option to insert HTML, CSS, JavaScript, third-party scripts to make your pages more rich and more comprehensive and having all the functionalities that you may want in them. Then you can generate the content using AI in your pages. You have ad map feature to visualize the ad campaign structure for a clear view of your campaigns. You have analytics feature to see the reports, see all the data coming in on your pages, and you can do A/B tests and see which variation does the job for you. Then there's a feature for visual collaborations, so as you can create pages with your team. You can see all your team members can give their inputs to the page, and you will eventually get what you need for your audience. And Insta blocks and global blocks feature so that you can create your blocks and save them as global, and you can use them as a template or something, and it will save you a lot of time when creating pages. Then there's a Thor engine, a technology, backend technology with which you can create mobile pages that will load in a blink to deliver seamless mobile browsing experience and boost conversions, kind of AMP pages or something. And it is perfect for the marketing teams and agencies, because marketing team is pretty much involved in data or not designing, but it is all about digital marketing and all that stuff. And for them, they often need pages in less time. They want to test a campaign, they want to do something, they don't want to struggle creating the pages. They want pages very quick, and they want very similar or very minimal functionalities in them so that they can quickly go ahead with fast pages and create their campaigns and see if the results are coming in. They want to test, they want to do A/B testing. All of these things are required by marketing teams, and Instapage serves them as a wonderful resource to create the landing pages so as to get proper benefits of the pages to get some ROI. And agencies can also scale their businesses using the landing page builders, and Instapage is one of them that gives them confidence to manage multiple clients and multiple pages for their various clients, and they can easily run various campaigns using the Instapage page building experience. And there's an enterprise with great security, so you have everything in place. Then there are 500 plus templates to use right away, and they all are very rich in colors, in aesthetic and everything. You can connect to your marketing ecosystem, and you have plenty of applications that you can integrate with, and this saves a lot of time when you actually need something. And you can start building landing pages that can convert. And yeah, so let's quickly get into our dashboard and see what we actually get with Instapage. So here I have logged into my account. on the dashboard, you can see you have some quick actions to create a new page, manage team members, or view all your leads in one place. Then you have quick reporting feature to see all your visits, conversions, and conversion rate. Okay, and all your landing pages over here. Then you have a separate page for landing pages as well, where you can create groups, you can create AMP pages, you can upload a template or your previously created Instapage landing page, and you can create a new page from here. Okay, and you can add your previously created pages from here. Just click on more and you'll have all the options that you can see: analytics, see leads from that page, heat map, download that page so that you can reuse by uploading over here. Okay, all of these things are possible. I will come back later on creating landing pages and will show you how you can edit them, customize them in a bit more time. But let's now talk about the collections. Here you can scale with collections by setting up template placeholders, creating collection pages, and building or publishing with full control. Okay, and then you have option to optimize, see the experiments, and personalize. You should have some published landing pages to access that feature, and you have this option for the ad map as well. Okay, where you can map your ads, and for this feature as well you will need to have a landing page. Then you can connect to your ad account and see your campaigns, ad groups, and all, and see all your analytics at one place by going to the analytics tab. And like this you will be able to see all the performance related data, and you can find all the assets regarding the styles, forms, images, and everything that will help you to create pages faster. You can create your pop-ups, okay, and use them in the landing pages. You can add your scripts over here. You can create a script. Okay, you can set it in body, footer, or header, enable the script for all the pages or manage the script manually for each page. Then you have the API access and the notifications, and see what's new in the recent update. And that's all in the feature. And you have some workspace settings as well, and you can have multiple workspaces where you can add your team members. Okay, and even team members will allow you to manage it effectively with big teams. You can have domains, integrations. You can see all the integrations. Integrations will lie inside your workspace, so you can have different integration options in different workspaces, and there are plenty of integrations that you can connect to. Most of them are email marketing integrations, some CRM integrations, Salesforce, webhooks, automation, Zapier integration, and all that, and integration regarding reCAPTCHA to protect your landing pages from spam. And then you have CMS token features so that you can use it for a content management system like WordPress, and you can publish your landing pages to WordPress, Drupal using the CMS token. You can click on it and you will find the token, and you can regenerate as well whenever you want to. And so now at the moment, let's quickly go to the landing pages, and here we can create a new landing page by click on this button over here. And then you have all the options to choose a use case, industry type, page type, style you want, and the color. So for example, I want for lead generation only 5 layouts are here, so I don't need to choose everything because there are only 5 results. But probably if I go with content downloads, I have 7. When you have plenty of them, then you definitely need to go down with your search. But if there are only fewer results, then definitely you will not need to go through all of search options. Personal branding, job recruitment, event registration. Okay, so let's quickly go with this one. Okay, let's select it. We can also preview the landing page before we start creating something out of it. And here we have this nice layout where we can add an interface, we can add our page, we can customize all the settings, and these are the page settings, and here are some blocks related settings and some HTML code you can also insert. So, and here we have undo and redo option. Here we have breakpoints option to see our layout in different breakpoints, okay, in different device resolutions. And here you can set a name. Climate change, rename it. Okay, you have default fonts, page background, page pop-up. You can enable the pop-up as well. On exit intent, on scroll, on time on page, you can set its visibility. Okay, you can open the library. We don't have any pop-ups in the library because we haven't created any. So let's disable the pop-up at the moment. And here you can see you can customize everything you want, like you can use it anywhere. You can change the text inside it. We struggle, we fight, whatever you want here. Browser offers, you can see you can delete it and everything. Double click, you can change or refine with AI as well. Button style you can change, button color, everything is customizable. And you have text option, you can change. Browse offers, you can say, you can change the font name, body, font weight, effects you can change, 3D color you can set, border as well, and everything is possible. You can change its radius as well. Looks good. You can move the entire locked group anywhere on the canvas, and you can insert more blocks. Just click on the insert block option and you will have plenty of categories to choose from for creating new blocks. Okay, for example this one I choose, insert it from here. However, you will need to make it similar to the other blocks or the other sections, so it looks very pertinent. So let's delete this block at the moment. And so this way you can easily customize your blocks. You can add new blocks from here, and you can add headlines, okay, change the content, change the styling, and everything is very easy. You can add images, you can insert free images or the uploaded images. Okay, you can also add carousels. Carousels are very unique thing and make your pages like very good. You can have plenty of slides in your carousels, and you can customize the slides as well. And the customization options are not that much, but they are definitely enough for anyone to create good pages. So whenever you are done with your page, you can hit save. Based on the chosen template, you will not need to invest a lot of time, and you can quickly preview your page. And let's exit the builder over here. And here we can see our conversion goals, integrations, and all these things. And this is the temporary preview of our landing page, and we can hit on publish page. Whether you want to publish it on a custom domain, WordPress, Drupal, or a demo page, it will have a page demo.co subdomain for testing purpose, so we can use it. Subdomain we can use our name, French, and continue. Publish immediately and unpublish when I click on unpublish. Okay, and let's confirm. And now we can access it, and here you can see it looks like this. And now we have this green dot which is indicating that our landing page is published. Okay, so this is how you can create landing pages, and you should definitely check out Instapage if you haven't tried it yet. I will leave a link in the description so that you can get access to Instapage to see if it is really worth trying and gives you the ROI or the results that you desire. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and you can also reach out to me through the social media channels of TroidCrunch, and I see you in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.